Hoofed mammals are animals that walk on hooves instead of toes or claws. They belong to a group called ungulates, and they are some of the most common animals in grasslands, forests, and even deserts. There are two main groups: even-toed hoofed mammals, artiodactyls. These animals have an even number of toes, usually 2 or 4. Examples: cow, goat, sheep, deer, pig, camel. 2. Odd-toed hoofed mammals, perissodactyls. These animals have an odd number of toes, usually 1 or 3. Examples: horse, zebra, rhinoceros. Hoofed mammals live in many environments and have different lifestyles. Grassland animals. Animals like deer, cows, and zebras live in open fields where they can graze on grass. Forest animals. Some deer and pigs live in forests where they eat leaves, fruits, and roots. Desert animals. Camels survive in hot deserts. They can go many days without water. Herd living. Many hoofed mammals live in groups called herds for protection from predators. Diet. Most are herbivores, plant eaters, but pigs eat both plants and small animals. Movement and strength. They are strong runners. Animals like horses and antelopes can run very fast to escape danger. Hoofed mammals give birth to live young. Most hoofed mammals give birth once a year. Usually they have one baby at a time, but some like goats and pigs can have twins or more. Cow gives birth once a year, usually one calf. Goat can give birth once or twice a year, often 1 to 3 kids. Pig can give birth 2 times a year, has many babies, 6 to 12 piglets. Deer gives birth once a year, usually 1 to 2 fawns. Horse gives birth once a year, usually 1 foal. Camel gives birth every 1 to 2 years, usually 1 calf. Hoofed mammals are animals with hooves used for walking and running. They are divided into even-toed and odd-toed groups. Most live by grazing, moving in herds, and escaping predators with speed. They give birth to live young, usually once a year, with 1 baby or sometimes more depending on the species. What is a gorilla? A gorilla is one of the largest and most powerful primates in the world. They live mainly in the forests of Central and West Africa. Gorillas have a calm and social way of life. They live in family groups called troops, led by a dominant male known as a silverback. Habitat: found in dense forests, mountains, and lowland swamps. Diet: mostly herbivores. They eat leaves, fruits, stems, and shoots. Daily life: spend most of their day eating and resting. Build nests from leaves to sleep in at night. Behavior: gentle and peaceful unless threatened. Communicate through sounds, gestures, and chest beating. How strong is a gorilla? Gorillas are incredibly strong animals. A fully grown male gorilla can be 4 to 10 times stronger than an average human. They can lift heavy objects, break branches, and defend their group. Their strength helps them climb, gather food, and protect their family. Gorillas do not give birth often. A female gorilla usually gives birth to 1 baby at a time. Pregnancy lasts about 8.5 months, similar to humans. They give birth once every 3 to 4 years, not every year. This is because the mother spends a long time caring for the baby. Gorillas are strong, intelligent, and social animals. They live in groups led by a silverback. They are mostly peaceful plant eaters. They give birth rarely, usually once every few years. The tiger is one of the largest wild cats in the world. It lives mostly in forests, grasslands, and swamps across parts of Asia like India, Russia, and Southeast Asia. Tigers are solitary animals, which means they prefer to live and hunt alone. Each tiger has its own territory, and it marks it using scent to warn other tigers to stay away. They are also excellent hunters. Tigers usually hunt at night and feed on animals like deer, wild boar, and sometimes buffalo. They rely on stealth, strength, and patience to catch their prey. Tigers love water too. They are strong swimmers and often cool off in rivers or lakes, especially in hot weather. Tigers are extremely powerful animals. They can weigh between 90 kg to over 300 kg, depending on the type. A tiger can knock down large animals much bigger than itself. Their bite is very strong, and their sharp claws help them grip and tear prey. They can run up to 60 km/h, 37 mph, in short bursts. With one powerful swipe, a tiger can seriously injure or even kill prey. Overall, the tiger is considered one of the strongest predators in the wild. Female tigers do not give birth many times in a year. A tiger is pregnant for about 3.5 months, around 100-110 days. They usually give birth to 2-4 cubs at once. A female tiger typically gives birth once every 2 to 3 years, not every year. This is because the mother spends a lot of time raising and protecting her cubs until they are strong enough to survive on their own. Tigers are solitary, powerful hunters. They are very strong, fast, and skilled in hunting. They give birth once every few years, usually to 2 to 4 cubs. The hippopotamus, often called hippo, is one of the largest land animals in the world. It lives mostly in Africa, especially in rivers and lakes. Semi-aquatic life. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep their bodies cool. Night feeders. They come out at night to eat grass on land. Group living. Hippos live in groups called pods, usually led by a dominant male. Territorial behavior. Male hippos protect their area in the water and can be very aggressive. How strong is a hippopotamus? Hippos are extremely strong and powerful animals. They can weigh 1,500 to 3,200 kilos. Their bite force is one of the strongest in animals, capable of crushing bones. Even though they look slow, they can run fast up to 30 km/h for short distances. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa because of their strength and aggression. Reproduction. A female hippo usually gives birth to one baby calf at a time. Pregnancy lasts about 8 months. They do not give birth many times in a year. Normally, a hippo gives birth once every 1 to 2 years, not multiple times in a year. Babies are often born in water and can swim almost immediately. What they eat. Hippos are herbivorous plant eaters. They mainly eat grass and can consume up to 40 kilos of grass in one night. Quick summary. Lives in water and on land semi-aquatic. Very strong and dangerous. Gives birth to one baby every 1 to 2 years. Eats grass at night. Please like, subscribe, and share for more interesting videos.